How do you harvest worm castings? Well, here's the answer. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. I got my Europeans in this worm bin that have to be sifted from the castings. I have a clear tote that I'm going to be pouring the castings into. And the reason I like this clear one is because the sun is going to force my worms to migrate down and make it easier to get the worms separate from the castings. And then I have this bucket here to put the worms in once I sort them out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dump this bin. First of all, let's see if I've baited any worms. But I did bait some Europeans over. So yeah, there are a few Europeans that I did bait over with the food scraps. So now what I'm going to do is once again dump this into this right here. I'm going to let this dry out a little bit as I am sifting them. So let me get my gloves on. I'll go and sort some out while I'm doing this. And with how the system's going to be with the light on them, it's going to cause the worms to keep once again migrating towards the bottom. So we'll have a lot more worms to get through easier. Here's an egg carton, piece of plastic that's in the corrugated cardboard egg carton. So I guess that makes it hold its form, but the worms and everything but that. So let me take time out to allow these worms to migrate down, and I will show you the final results. Okay, so what I'm going to do is take the old castings out of this bin and put them into the bin that had the previous castings in it. And get these worms to get out of here so I can start the cycle all over again. But the reason I'm doing this right now is because I'm going to add new bedding so the worms have a better living condition, environment. So yeah, let me get all these castings out of there. There we go with that. Piece of tape was left in there. But let me give them some newer, fresh bedding on this side. Egg cartons. Shredded up paper, newspaper, cardboard. I'm just going to put all this in here. Just something to hold them over and let the population once again start over to produce more worms. You can always add more bedding later, but they'll be good for now. Set that like that. And then I'm going to put the old worms that I have out of the previous castings, if you're following what I'm saying. Show you what I'm talking about in a second. And so for all of these worms that I've gotten out of the casting so far, we'll be going back into the European nightcrawler bin. Just keep the process going. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to be doing a follow-up video once the castings dry out on how to sort and sift them and show you my method. So if you like the video, give a like, subscribe to my channel if you like what you're hearing and seeing from me. So I want to take time out to say thank you so much for taking time out to watch this, and you have a great day. Bye.